25 Sweetpeas, and welcome to another Happy Nail Art series installment. Today we're doing a design based off of this little sketch or doodle that I did, although I did change it up a little bit. It's also what kind of inspired the whole intro to this series, so I actually really enjoyed this manicure. So first off, you want to start with a base coat, of course, which I've done off camera, and then you want to go in with a pink shade, and today I'm using Heroine NYC's Bubblegum, a fabulous bubblegum pink in my opinion. Covers perfectly in two coats, and I think I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but if you have not used a Heroine cream, I highly suggest it. Their polishes are amazing, and you guys probably know I use them all the time in videos. So after that is done and on and dried, it is time to move on to the art aspect of this. And you could do this with acrylic paint or nail polish, and since I already had nail polishes picked out in one of the same cohesive color scheme, I went with nail polish. So this did take me a bit longer than it would traditionally. But now what I'm doing is I'm going in with a light blue, and this one is the Heroine NYC Pika Blue. And I am kind of creating a wave on my nail. And it's definitely not perfect, but from afar it looks pretty decent. So I didn't bother it too much because I was afraid I was going to mess it up because it is polished in the way that it dries. Sometimes you mess it up a bit more than you would if you left it alone. So then I moved on and followed the same exact kind of curvature with an orange-y polish, and this time I used a shade by Glaze, and this one is called Pilates Please. This was from a spring collection a few springs ago, and I really enjoyed it. Really fun kind of orange. And then the next shade that I did was yellow, and this is Zoya's B, which you have heard me mention in almost every video recently. And then I just did the same thing that I did for the first two. I followed the previous curves that I have done. Now for this, I did change it up on each nail, and you don't have to think of it in a full piece way if you don't want to, but I kind of did it so if I started high on one corner or ended low on the other side of my nail, then on the next nail I would kind of follow suit and continue on. But you don't have to do that because it does take a little bit of thinking and kind of becomes am I doing this right? Am I doing it wrong? So don't put the pressure on to do that, I found. But if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And it's just a fun little kind of rainbowy design. So after that, I then covered it with a matte top coat. And you definitely want to be careful and make sure you float your polish brush over your nails and not drag it on your nail, because sadly when I took the pictures of this design it kind of made it into an icky mess. But this time when I filmed it, I floated the brush, which was much better. So here is a final look at this design. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I absolutely loved this manicure. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all back here tomorrow for another new video. Bye!